Welcome to your Pilates mat workout. If you're just joining me, this is day 8 of our 10-day series of little bitty bite-sized workouts that you can do with no props. They're great for traveling. Today we're going to focus on back. Meet me lying down on your mat and we'll get started. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Helps me continue to bring more content like this to you for free. And you can also continue along for the next couple days of the series. So to start, lie down on your stomach. We're going to have legs hip distance apart or as wide as your mat. Elbows tight to your body, hands right under your shoulders. Spine nice and long, forehead down on the mat. Think about picking your belly button up off the mat, even though you're not physically lifting it. You want that sense of drawing your abs in and up. We're going to start, just begin lifting the head, neck, and chest, shoulders roll back. Think about your shoulder blades coming in and together, starting at the bottom tips and lower down. Big breath in, abs on. Lift the chest, keep the back of your neck long. Feeling your back muscles starting to engage and lower down. Let's go for 3 more. Lift, open the shoulders, open the chest. Keeping your pubic bone grounded into the mat while trying to get that sense of your belly button picking up off the mat. Glutes can be engaged. Let's go for our last one. Nice. Walk the hands forward. Next time we're going to press up. Keep the collarbone wide as we lift up onto our forearms, lifting the chest. This time we're extending through a slightly lower part of the back. Lower down. If you need to move your hands a little bit more forward, you can. Think about the bottom tips of the shoulder blades coming together and down as you lift the chest up. Feeling your back muscles engage and lower down. This one's really great if you work on a computer a lot of the time, if you do a lot of small child parenting, if you look at a phone for most of your day or a screen of any kind. Really helps to keep your back nice and open. Good. Let's continue for 2 more. Collarbone wide, and 1. Nice, lower down. Now we're going to bring the elbows wide. Place your left hand on top of your right hand. Legs stay where they are. Forehead comes down to your hands. We're going to lift the head, neck, and chest. Lower down. 2 more like this. Hands stay down for this one. Lower down. Last one like this. Lower down. Now, keep your left hand anchored to your forehead. Lift that arm up as you lift the head, neck, and chest. Lower down. Lift and lower down. We're going for 5 of these, so 3 more. And down. 2. And 1. Next time we lift, we're going to extend the arm forward, reach the arm back. Bring it forward, bend the elbow, find your salute, lower down. 5 of these. Lift, extend forward, all the way back, all the way forward, hand to forehead, lower down. 3 more to make it 5. Forward, really feel that wide range of motion. And down, 2 more. Last one. Palm is facing down the whole time here. Good. We're going to the other side. Left hand is down, right hand on top of it, forehead right down on your hand. Now we're going to keep the hands together. Just lift the head, neck, and chest. And lower down, feeling your upper back working. This is 2. And 1. Good. Now for 5, we're going to keep your head anchored to that right hand. Salute. Raise your right arm up with your head, neck, and chest. Lower it down. You've got 4. Keep both hips heavy down. Think about your belly button peeling up off the mat. Shoulders are down and back. And 1. Lower everything down. Bring that salute position up 1 more time. We're going to extend the right arm forward. Draw it all the way around back like you're making a snow angel. All the way forward. Lift the chest. Hand to head. Lower down. 4 more to make it 5. Lift. Arm forward. All the way back. Shoulders stay down. All the way forward. Bend the elbow. Lower down. Let's take it for 3. Exhale as you come up. Snow angel, palm stays down. 2 more, lift. Feel your shoulder blade moving as you rotate that arm around. Keep your left hip heavy. This is your last one. Hand to head, lower down. Bring your hands just right in front of your shoulders. You can place your head down on the mat. Rock your head side to side. We'll do a little neck release at the end of this series, end of this workout. Now, extend your arms forward. You're going to keep your legs as wide as your mat. Palms are going to face each other. Spine is nice and long. Abs are on. We're going to lift the left arm and right leg. Lower down. Alternating sides. Left leg up, right arm down. My head is lifted up off the mat. You can keep yours down. I like to think about the back of the neck being nice and long. So we're hopefully feeling a little bit more work through the mid-back now. Doing a lot of upper back extension and activation on the last one. This one should hit our mid-back muscles a little bit more. If you're lifting your head, you can even take this a little bit higher, coming into a little bit more of an extension. Good. Next time you have your left arm and right leg up, we're going to pulse up and down for 8, 7, 6. Arm and leg are working. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Right arm up, left leg up. Shoulder plug down. Pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Palms face each other. Superman. Lift and hold. Arms and legs lift. Shoulders down. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Big breath in. Exhale. Lift and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Take a rest. Big breath in. We're going to go for one more. Big inhale. Exhale. One more big breath. Exhale. Lift. And we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Now bring your arms right in line with your shoulders, legs right in line with your hips. So we're not opening the arms and legs quite as wide. Now we're going to lift, swim. So we're going to alternate legs and arms, switching sides. You're going to go as fast as you can while still keeping some control over the torso. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift, lower down. Oh yeah. Place your hands under your shoulders. Press back, find your child's pose. Knees can go wide. Head comes down to the mat. Just focus on breathing into your back. As you inhale, feel the air fill into the back of your lungs and the sides of your torso. Really get into your back breathing here. Let those muscles relax. Feel your belly expand too, and abs engage on your exhale. Now, place your left hand on top of your right hand. Press back on your left hip. Get a nice oppositional stretch here. Other side. Left arm to left side, right hand on top. Press back on your right hip. Feel that stretch through your upper back, or your lower back, wherever you're feeling it. And back. Roll up. Find all fours. Come to sitting, to cross-legged. We're just going to open up through the chest. Release the back a little bit more. Going to gather our arms together. Reach the arms up. Extend the back. As we open the arms out to the side and around, we're getting a nice shoulder release, chest opener. Again, rounding the arms, reaching the arms up overhead. Arching through the back, extending the arms out to the side. One more. Shining your chest up to the ceiling. Place your right hand down on the mat, reach your left arm up and over, press your left hip right into the mat. And over to the other side. Left hand down, right arm reaches up and over, flip your palm to face the floor, press down on that right hip. And up. Let's roll your shoulders back. Grow taller. And reverse. Shoulders roll forward. Gentle range of motion. Shoulders roll back for 3 more. 3, Good, reach your left arm over your torso. Grab onto it with your right arm. Just give yourself a nice little stretch through the back of the arm and through your upper back. Other side, right arm forward, left arm wraps around. Hands on your knees. Let's just take a little flexion, curling the spine, looking for your pelvis or your belly button. Exhaling, extending through the back. One more time. Curl back without sinking too much into your pelvis or your low back. Extend up. Find your neutral spine, ribs over your pelvis, rib cage nice and heavy. Take a big breath in. Exhale. You are all done. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We've got 2 more days left in our series, and I post tons of other fun new content. I'd love to see you there. Thank you as well to my membership supporters who are making this channel happen and allowing series like these to be a thing for all of you. So thank you so much. Thank you as well to my members who've been here for 6 months or longer. I so appreciate your long-term support. Thank you to everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.